bit, please.
Jonathan, you're up next, buddy.
Ralph, make ready, dude.
I know. You need sunscreen?
No, I'm gonna put a hat on. Thank you.
Okay.
All righty. You ready? Stand by.
Still got a while.
Yeah?
Yeah, when we rolled up there, I only had a couple of shooters.
Paper, right? Now you go. Now. To your right. Back. That one. In the back. Deal. That should be it. Okay.
A lot this time.
Clear!